Hello, so I'm Ben, and I'm going to give you your Cayuga Nature Center and Tompkins County forecast for March 8th through March 10th of 2024. So this weekend, we actually see ridging today, and this will give way to a deepening trough throughout the weekend, which will bring in much cooler temperatures than we've seen the last few days into the region. We actually do have a low pressure system right now that's off to our northwest, and that'll move northeast over the Great Lakes region, strengthen a bit Friday night into Saturday. Then we do see another low pressure system that develops Saturday into Sunday and moves up the northeast coast. And the location of this low is quite uncertain, according to quite a few weather models. And this uncertainty results in big uncertainties in our forecast snow totals, perhaps, for Sunday. Now, looking at temperatures, we do see the temperatures cool throughout much of the weekend. These are temperatures that we haven't seen in a little bit. Relatively cool temperatures compared to what we've seen recently. Temperatures are actually trending downward, forecast temperatures. So each of these lines represents a run of weather models and their average temperature forecasts, the blue line being the most recent run of models. So we see that the most recent forecast temperatures are actually quite a bit below those from models that were run a few hours or even up to about a day ago. So there is a downward trend in these temperature forecasts. Now, looking at the details, Friday, we do expect these highs in the mid-50s to lower 50s in the region with lows in the 30s. We expect the sunny conditions to continue with perhaps some patches of mid to high level clouds. And otherwise, a very nice, mild day with some southeasterly winds strengthening overnight into Saturday. And we do expect a breezy Saturday morning with winds 20 to 25 miles per hour and higher gusts. Rain will move in Saturday afternoon. And even perhaps we could see some snow mixing in at higher elevations around the region Saturday afternoon into evening, and even perhaps in the valleys overnight. And this image right here shows the temperature profile off one of the weather models for the Tompkins County region. We do see that temperatures are, in the mid to upper 30s near the surface. So if we can cool those temperatures just a bit more, it makes conditions for snow quite a bit more favorable, right? So there's still a bit of uncertainty whether snow might occur at these higher elevations in the region on Saturday. And lastly, moving into Sunday, we expect highs in the mid-30s in the valleys to upper 20s in the hills. This low moves off to our northeast and continues to intensify. And this brings a chance for some snow in the morning and possibly some lake effect snow in the afternoon and overnight. Winds are going to be 20 to 25 miles per hour, so pretty breezy again Sunday into Sunday night with higher gusts. And there's a large uncertainty in the positioning of this low that could affect the snow accumulations expected for Ithaca, right? So as we can see, different models forecast this low in very different positions. And if this low is a little further south, a little more toward the coast, we might get more wraparound moisture, more precipitation, and higher chances for lake effect snow Sunday night. So we could see very little snow accumulation from the system, but there is a chance that we see a few inches for sure in the Tompkins County region. So it's certainly worth paying close attention to this forecast over the next couple days.